Hello, and welcome to the first video in the Tips for GOM Inspect for Free series. My name is Sarah, and in this series, I'll be going over the tips, tricks, and features that are just plain cool in GOM. In today's video, we'll be using GOM to do a simple pre-alignment. So here we are at the home screen, and it's where you end up when you first open GOM Inspect. We are going to click on New Project, which will take us into our work area. This gridded area is where all of our measurements will be taking place. Now, the first thing is we have to import the CAD model, and this can be done simply by finding the folder containing the file and dragging and dropping the step file or CAD file into the workspace. We click New Part, and as you can see from the bottom left-hand corner, GOM is working to import the CAD model, and once you see the part in the workspace, you'll know it's ready. There are a few ways we can manipulate the part now. By holding down the left mouse, we can rotate it around. Holding down the mouse wheel allows us to move it around the workspace, and scrolling the mouse wheel allows us to zoom in and zoom out. Next, we need to bring in the mesh, which is the measured scan data. This is done in the exact same way by simply finding the file in the folder and dragging and dropping it into the workspace. In this case, we click Add to Part. We OK the prompt up on the left. And this gray part here is the mesh, the actual measured data. Now, to do an alignment and to overlap the mesh and the CAD model to begin measurements, we simply go up to the top right-hand corner, click the plus icon, which says Create Alignment, and click the first menu option, which is simply Pre-Alignment. We'll get another prompt that we OK. And here we are. The CAD and mesh data are now aligned together. Any measurements taken on the CAD model will now be real part data, and I'll be diving into this much more deeply in future videos. So there you go, it's just that simple. From here you can begin taking any measurements you want in GOM. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.